Look at the word inside. The vowels in inside are I, and E. You do not need to mark the E at the end because it is silent. Mark the other vowels with a V. Mark the consonants that are between the vowels. That means mark the letters N and S. Mark the consonants with a C. When there are two consonants in between the vowel sounds in a word, the syllables are divided between the consonants. The consonant N closes in the first syllable. This is a closed syllable, and the vowel sound is short. The first syllable says in. The second syllable is a vowel, consonant, and silent E syllable. This is called a VCE syllable, and the vowel sound is long because the silent E is working with the vowel before it. The second syllable says side. The word inside has two syllables, in, side. Now it is your turn to divide a word into syllables. Get ready with your whiteboard and marker. Look at the word upset. Write the word on your whiteboard. Mark the vowels with a V. Mark the consonants with a C. Remember, when there are two consonants in between the vowels, the syllables are divided between the two consonants. Draw a line in your word to divide the syllables. The first syllable is a closed syllable because the vowel is closed in by a consonant. It has a short sound, up. The second syllable is also closed because the vowel is closed in by a consonant. It has a short sound, set. Great job dividing words into syllables. You will have a chance to practice dividing more words in your lesson.